So,
Okay, what?
I want to show you this video. Let's see what your reaction is to it. Here, sit.
I'm good. Bob Driscoll hammering a nail up his nose.
Yep.
Oh my God, I've seen him.
No, watch. Just watch. Just
Oh
watch.
no, I saw him on Americans Got Talent.
Watch. Please, Grandma, please. Please, you have to watch the whole thing.
Oh, I don't know if I can.
Please.
So gross.
Come on.
He is gross.
That's your pizza. Funny like. You want you guys want tomatoes?
No,
Nah.
I don't.
You don't.
It's like, ew.
Somebody threw garbage. Garbage.
Oh, I thought there was a bag in there.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. It's getting smaller and smaller.
Oh, I know. I've seen this. Oh, this
Gross.
is totally gross. Just turn it upside down in the bag, and then we'll watch the.
Oh my God! Watch him. He's gonna take it out. Do you have like no pain tolerance?
Well, if you do it right, there is no pain. It goes right down your sinus, right down your throat.
True.
Because it's all open. It's an open cavity.
Yeah. Gross. Oh my God.
That's when Pierce Morgan would go beep.
Yeah.
He doesn't like that stuff. I'm going around washing everything.
My God.
It's so full of yellow pollen in here.
It went
See?
that far. That was ridiculous.
Okay, your time is almost up on this.
Okay.
10 more minutes.